let's make an ivy gourd fry. Taste quick, easy, tasty, delicious recipe with a podi made with peanuts and some kind of dal. Don't waste time. Let's go on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve 5 to 6 guests. Onto a pan, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. Low flame, dry roast it. Let the fragrance come out. Cool down, transfer to a blender, blend it to a fine powder like this and set it aside. Onto the same pan, on a low medium heat, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of urd dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Let the mustard seed crack. As soon as it's cracked, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Give a quick mix. Add 1 large onions chopped. Mix it together, saute for a minute. Add crushed garlic, 6 cloves, few curry leaves and saute for a minute. Ivy gourd 500 grams, cut into lengthwise. For this recipe, this cut is so good. Add the ivy gourd. Combine well. Cook for a minute. Add rock salt 1 tablespoon. Half teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And combine well. Cook for 5 minutes. Add half cup of water. Mix well. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. If there is any water, cook for another 2 more minutes. Let it get dried. Check salt, add salt if needed. Add the powder mix. Combine well. On a very low heat, cook for 5 minutes. Let the spices stick it together with the ivy gourd. The ivy gourd, it's ready. Now you enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure